My smoke alarm is hardwired. Why is it still beeping? So first of all, I'm just a homeowner. I am not a smoke alarm or smoke detector expert. But after looking this up, there's two main reasons why a smoke alarm still beeps even when it's hardwired. The first reason is that it's got a low battery. So they do have a backup battery in case you lose power to the house. You still want your smoke alarms or your smoke detectors to work, so it's got a 9-volt battery just like your standard smoke alarm. And the other reason could be is that it is needing to be replaced either because it's out of date. They have recommendations on how often you should change your smoke alarms, or the sensor could be clogged or it could be defective and it's just not working properly, so it's letting you know to take a look at it. So there are recommendations on how often that you need to change your smoke alarms. So I would consult your professional in your area, look at the smoke detectors. You could probably find some information on how often to replace them. I'm gonna research mine more, see when they were installed, and look at actually replacing all of the smoke detectors in our house. But hopefully that was helpful. If you're thinking to yourself, hey, my smoke detectors are hardwired, why are they still beeping? Go ahead, look into it, replace the batteries, follow the instructions, and consult a professional in your area to see what the next steps may be. But hopefully that was helpful just to let you know that your smoke alarms could still beep even though they are hardwired. So I'm gonna get to working on mine, change the batteries, look into it, and replace them if needed. If you like DIY around the house, please feel free to check out some other videos. My name is Drew. I'll see you in the next one.